Hey everybody, today I'm spicing things up with Sweet Baby Ray's wing sauce, where the sauce is the boss. Stick around. Hey everyone, it's Mario. Thanks for joining me. As you saw, we're doing wings today with Sweet Baby Ray's wing sauce. Not going to Kentucky Kernel these because I want the sauce to speak for itself, so please stick around. No Kentucky Kernel today, folks. Want the sauce to speak for itself. A little Evo, a little pink Himalayan salt, peppercorn, garlic powder, way good. Let's get going. Spray this down. Only doing 5 wings today. 5 winglets and 5 drums. Alright. We'll start at 400 for 12 minutes and see where it takes us. Okay, 9 minutes. Let's take a look. Alright, we're ready to turn these things. These wings are a little fatter than most, so they're going to take a little longer than most to cook. Send it back to the air fryer. Let's increase that 5 minutes. It'll be a total of 18 or 17 minutes. Okay, let's take a look. And they look good. Alright. Not going to put all these in hot sauce because Donna may want a couple without. So I will put in half. About half, right? Yeah, you know what? Get them all in there. There we go. Unplug the air fryer, folks. Now for the Sweet Baby Ray's. Now, I've never quite mixed it quite like this before, but I know some people do one of these, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to manage that. So I'm gonna do old standby. Oh, the sauce smells good. Doesn't look like enough sauce. I'm gonna put on a little bit more. I could be wrong about that. I could be setting myself up for disaster. Now that looks good. I'm gonna transfer these off to another plate. I'm gonna keep this bowl because I got some sauce in there I can start dipping with. Alright, let's taste. I haven't had hot wings in a while. I used to do it all the time, you know, wing nights at places like Joe sent me. It's been a really long time and I'm looking, I don't know where to start. Oh boy. Start with this one. I'm not big on spicy foods, but this is a good wing sauce. That's really good. Alright, let's try one of these bigger drums. That's good. I forget. One of my viewers told me to try this. I apologize, I forgot your name. I'll put your name in the description or something. Good call. I don't know what to do. Good. I'll say this wing sauce is really good. it's spicy for me, but that does not detract me from wanting to eat the rest of those wings, I tell you. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. It really does make a difference. Hit the notification bell so you know when I put out a new video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Sweet baby Ray's. Sweet baby Ray's wing sauce, where the sauce is the boss. I ever tell you about the time I was in a wing eating contest? Well, 5 groups, well, 2 in each group. We had to eat like 50 wings, and I was pulling my own weight. I was eating these things, we were down to almost 2 or 3, and the furthest person from winning was a little guy we work with and a really big guy. Once he looked over at me and saw how fast he was going, he went from being in last, and he was just getting these wings and just going, putting them in his mouth and pulling them clean, and I lost by 1 wing. I think out of the 50 wings from the guy I was with, and he was a big guy too, it was I lost by a wing or 2, and I'm known as a fast eater, if you haven't noticed. Later.